Section 2.4 Evaluating formulas and solving formulas for a variable. Objective number 1 Geometry formulas. A square. When we're talking about a square, that is a shape that has 4 sides and they are the same. So I call that is a side. The area of a square is equal to side times side, and that is side square. And the perimeter is 4 sides. What is the perimeter? Is the distance around. The perimeter of a square is side plus side plus side plus side. So you just go around the shape and you go 4 times of the side. So that's why we have side plus side plus side plus side is 4 sides. The rectangle. The rectangle is like a square, but it have 2 sides the same. 2 sides the same, we call is the length and the width. So the 4 sides are not the same. Only 2 sides are the same. So the area is length times the width. And the perimeter is P equal, the perimeter is you go around the shape, so you go length, you go width, you go length again, and you go width again. So you have 2 length plus 2 width. So twice of the length plus twice of the width. A triangle is a half of a rectangle. So if I cut the rectangle half, I will get a triangle. So a triangle is a shape that has 3 sides. So we call A, B, and C. The perimeter is you go around the shape. So that is you go A, you go B, and you go C. So that means you do A plus B plus C. And the area is A equal. So if you cut a triangle in half, then you will get a rectangle. So if the area of a rectangle is length times the width, the area of the triangle will be the half of that. We will call it is half of base times the height. So we understand that the perimeter is the distance around. What is the area? The area is the whole shape. So for example, let's look at this example. If I have a rectangle and I draw this rectangle with the length is 1, 2, 3, 4, so 4 meters, and the width is 2 meters. To find the perimeter, we go around. So we go 4, and then we go 2, and then we go 4, and then we go 2. So 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2. Or you can do twice of 4 plus twice of 2. So twice of the length plus twice of the width. So we will get the answer is 12 meters. So it means you go around this you go around this rectangle, you will go 12 meters. What is the area? What does that mean? So now you look at the rectangle, and if I cut this rectangle like this, okay, so that I would get the shape. This shape is a little square because the length and the width is 1 meter. So we count and we can see that we have 8 of the little squares. So each square has 1 meter of the side. So we have 8 square. So if we have any rectangle, we want to find the area. We don't have to divide like this and we count like that. Okay, what all we need to do is we do length times the width. So we do 4 times 2 and it's equal to 8. And this is the 8 of the square meter. So square meters mean this shape need 8 of a square. The unit is 1 meter for the side of that square to fill out the shape.